Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Nothing Phone 1, and in today's video we will show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. Alright, so first of all open up the settings, go for the network and internet category. Next, open up the SIMs page, choose any SIM card that you would like. It doesn't really matter for managing and configuring the SIM card preferences. I'll go with this one for example. And in here you'll see the data preference, call preference and SMS messages preferences. And well, this three sections will be both at the SIM card number 1 or at the SIM card number 2 as well. So in here we'll be able to choose the data preferences, the call preferences, as well as the SMS messages preferences. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.